In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix NVIDIA control panel display settings missing or not showing. 1. Ensure NVIDIA graphics card connection. Start by checking if your NVIDIA graphics card is properly connected to your computer. Press the Windows Start and type Device Manager in the search bar. Select Device Manager and then expand the Display Adapters section to see if your NVIDIA graphics card is listed. If not, there may be an issue with the connection or graphics itself. 2. Update NVIDIA graphic drivers. Open the GeForce Experience application or go to the GeForce NVIDIA website, navigate to Drivers section and look for your graphics card drivers. Once you download them and install the driver updates, ensure your NVIDIA graphics card has the latest drivers. 3. Check NVIDIA services. Press the Windows Start Plus button and continue to Service in the search bar. Open the Services application from the search results and scroll down until you find NVIDIA services, such as NVIDIA Display Container, LS, and NVIDIA Local System Container. Right-click on each NVIDIA service and click Properties. Ensure that the startup type is set to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click on Start to initiate it and repeat the process for both NVIDIA services. Next, close the Services window, reboot your computer, and check if the display settings are now visible in the NVIDIA control panel. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.